Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your country on Netflix and basically how to watch Netflix from different countries around the world in 2020. It's very, very easy to do. All you have to require to do is you have to use a VPN service, and the VPN service that I recommend that you guys use is called IPVanish. That's the one that I've been using for a very, very long time to access American Netflix from Canada, where I live. Now, all you have to do is go to the description or in the comment section down below. I will have a link there for you guys to check out IPVanish. Now, once you have it downloaded, you just have to open up the program, and then you'll be able to go over to server list and change the location for where you want to watch Netflix from. So if I just go down to United States and just click on Atlanta, for example, and click on yes, this will switch my IP address from where I am located currently, which was France on my IPVanish before, to Atlanta, Georgia, United States, to allow me to access the American Netflix. So once you see the visible location is Atlanta, Georgia, or wherever you would like it to be, you can exit out of this and just refresh your Netflix page, and then you will notice you will then be in that location. So for example, if I scroll up now, you guys will see it says #1 in the US today, which means that I am now on American Netflix, able to watch any American Netflix shows or movies. Like I said, though, the link for IPVanish will be in the description or in the comment section down below for you guys to start doing this today. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to do this. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.